No.
Wrong.
We're on. Right. The first method, the way that I prefer doing these then, as I say, is that you do a quick sketch of the graph. And 3x plus 4a must be its positive gradient, and because a is positive, it must cross up here, it's crossing the positive bit of the y-axis. So it's going to be a V-shaped curve that does something like that. That point is 4a. We've got it equal to the line 5a. So it doesn't matter what a is, we know that 5a must be more than 4a, because that's how numbers work. And now we've got it crossing at 2 points. One is the positive branch and one is the negative branch. So we do our equations here. We say we'll put the positive bit equal to 5a, and we'll solve that. So we get 3x is a, so x is a third of a, and there we have one answer. And we do the other bit, the negative of 3x plus 4a is equal to 5a. That's the other branch, that's this point here. And this gives us minus 3x minus 4a is 5a. You can do this however you want to, but we've got minus 3x is 9a, if we add 4a to both sides. So x is minus 3a, where a is a positive constant, and we've got those two things as our answers. Okay, now we need to, in some way, stress that they are the two answers that we get. It's dead simple that way, isn't it? And actually, this is my preferred way for doing the kind of modulus equation. Just doing a little sketch of what it looks like, getting a feel for it, and dealing with it that way. I know that lots of you like doing it this way, so let's see what happens if you do it this way. If you square both sides, so we say 3x plus 4a squared is 5a. When you square it, you get 9x squared. What would you get? There's 24ax plus 16a squared is 25a squared. So we've got 9x squared plus 24ax minus 9a squared is 0, which we're going to divide by 3 probably. Yep. Try and make it look a little bit easier. And then we're going to try and factorise. What do we get?
3x minus a. Is that right? Does that work out? 3x minus a times x plus 3a, 3x squared plus 9ax minus ax is plus 8ax minus 3a squared. But that's not a simple factorisation, is it? You do that however you feel comfortable with doing it. You could use the quadratic formula, I suppose, and try and work that through. And so we get x is a over 3 and x is minus 3a out of that as our two solutions.